Are you looking for the best way to make money online? Affiliate marketing programs offer an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurs, bloggers, or webmasters to earn extra income. With so many different affiliate marketing programs, it can be hard to decide which is right for you. To help get your research off on the right foot, we have gathered our list of the top 5 affiliate marketing programs. Each offers unique features, a large selection of products, excellent support, and amazing payouts for successful referrals. Don't miss a single beat. Subscribe now and get the latest trends. Like, share, and watch more videos like these. Join us today to stay up to date. Hit the bell icon for even more amazing content. Now watch to find out which of these programs is best for you. 5. Amazon Associates. With Amazon Associates, you can earn up to 10% commission on products purchased through your links. Plus, with their simple tracking system and generous referral bonuses, earning a passive income through Amazon has always been challenging. So, if you're looking for an easy way to monetize your site or blog, Amazon Associates is the perfect choice for you. Sign up. 4. ShareAsale. This is a great program for those just starting out in affiliate marketing as it offers a wide variety of products to promote. It also provides helpful tools and resources to help affiliates maximize their earnings. With a simple sign-up process, a helpful customer service team, and a vast selection of products, ShareAsale is the perfect choice for anyone looking to get started in affiliate marketing. 3. ClickBank. This affiliate program offers thousands of digital products, such as ebooks, videos, software, and more. They offer generous commissions and allow affiliates to track the performance of their campaigns in real time. This means that you can easily monitor your campaigns and adjust them according to the results. With ClickBank, you have access to a wide variety of products and services, which means there is something for everyone. 2. CJ Affiliate. This program is great for those who want to focus on promoting physical products. It offers a wide range of products from different categories and pays high commissions with each sale. With its intuitive tracking and reporting tools, you can easily monitor your sales and commissions. With its user-friendly interface and support network, you can quickly get started with your affiliate program. The platform also provides tools to help you build relationships with customers and advertisers. 1. Rakuten Marketing. Formerly known as Linkshare, this network is one of the oldest affiliate programs in existence. They offer a wide range of products from some of the world's biggest brands and pay generous commissions for each sale. Rakuten Marketing is simple, efficient, and easy to use. With great customer service, support, and tracking systems in place, you can rest assured that your campaigns are in safe hands. We have explored the top 5 affiliate marketing programs that can help you earn more commission. It's time to take action, so don't wait any longer and start taking advantage of these opportunities today. Subscribe to our channel, share your feedback in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.